From fresh roses from Kenya to Yirgacheffe coffee beans from Ethiopia, more products from Africa are increasingly sold well in the Chinese market thanks to more convenient cross-border trade. Gaoqiao Grand Market in central China's Changsha City is one of the important distribution centers for Kenyan flowers. At the wholesale market, freshly picked flowers from Kenya could reach their customers in China on the other side of the globe in about a day.
肯亚的鲜花，它是凌晨从我们的农场采摘之后，经过10几个小时的飞行，然后在北京时间的7点抵达我们的长沙，然后长沙海关会近半个小时的时间将我们通关，可以抵达在客户手里。我们也希望肯亚的鲜花在未来中国的市场可能有更多的发展。
For more and more African farmers and exporters who have long relied on the European and American markets, the emerging Chinese market holds the promise of higher and more stable income. Molish Coffee Export Private Limited Company is a family-owned business in Ethiopia engaged in coffee processing and export. It serves customers in over 20 countries and regions worldwide. Over the past 3 years, the company has experienced a significant increase in coffee exports to China.
በእርግጥ በደንብ ጠንክሮ በዚህ 2 እና 3 ዓመት ውስጥ ነው በደንብ ቮሊዩም ጨምሮ መደረግ የጀመረው ከዛም በፊት ቢሆን እንሞክራለን አሁን ግን በደንብ ተደርጎ በተለይ በዚህ ዓመትም አምናው ብዙ ቡናዎችን ኤክስፖርት አድርገናል ወደ ቻይና እና ቀጥታ ከስተመሮችም አሉ እዛው ቻይና
We really aspire to exploit the Chinese market in different ways due to shifting in trends in the youngsters drinking a lot of coffee. Hopefully we'll achieve what we want in the Chinese market.
China is Africa's largest trading partner for 14 consecutive years. According to data from the General Administration of Customs, the total trade volume between China and Africa reached 822.32 billion yuan in the first 5 months of this year, representing a year-on-year increase of 16.4%.
随着国家“一带一路”的这个政策和中非对外的贸易呢，国家种入的海产品越来越多。通过直航，我们缩短了这个海鲜的死亡率和快速到达。同时，我们也采取了跨境电商和跨境保税仓的功能，价格更好。津巴布韦的牛油果，还有这个埃塞的水果，都陆续会进入中国市场。